Homebody. Bo Bunny. Ooh, he's so cozy. Why did we start homebodyHQ?
We have a lot of interests within the home, different personalities, and I think we just wanted to show that off.
It felt like it was time for me to share the spotlight. So many of my DIY projects as Home by Mackenzie involved him.
Body wants so.
What do you think of when you hear the word homebody?
Somebody slams you.
Don't be a homebody.
I don't like, because whenever you define it, I've always felt like I was a homebody. I like being at home.
Home's the best. Especially now, home is a safe place. I don't think there's anything wrong with being mildly obsessed with your home.
I think you have to make it.
On my way, mate. Everybody know that.
I think we have discovered there is real power in curating the space where you live, kind of become obsessed with hacking our home to make it as productive and functional and aesthetically pleasing for us.
And we learn new skills all the time.
Like, we have so much pride of taking care of our home.
It makes you feel confident. If there's also a lot of failure, another learning opportunity. That's kind of the point, is we want to mess up so that we can figure out what works.
Right. There's a lot of other people that could benefit from those hacks, or it will just open their mind to think about their home as a blank canvas. Your phone's ringing.
Someone's calling me.
So what kind of content can they expect?
Lots of fresco. Goofy. Be a lot of the same. Beat my way in there. Do some of my own segments. We're doing a lot of these together.
Feeling more connected to your home.
Pretty much everything home and what that entails.
Oh.
Couple-ly stuff. We don't want to be too gross.
Oh my gross, no. We're so glad that you're here. Cheers.